Okay, let's proceed with MCQ number 2. Which of the following represents a disjunction? Letter A. The book is red and heavy. Letter B. The student passed the exam or studied hard. Letter C. If it rains, then the ground gets wet. Letter D. The sky is not cloudy. Number 3. The negation of the dog is barking is letter A. The dog is not barking. Letter B. The cat is barking. Letter C. The dog is barking loudly. Letter D. The dog is running. Number 4. Which truth table makes the statements P or Q false? P and Q false. Letter A. Both P and Q are true. B. Both P and Q false. Letter C. At least one false. Letter D. At least one true. Number 5. Which truth value makes the statements P or Q true? So, letter A, both P and Q false. Letter B, both P and Q true. And then P at least one true. D at least one false. Number 6. The statement, if today is Monday, then tomorrow is Tuesday, is an example of A. Conjunction, B. Disjunction, C. Conditional, D. Biconditional. Number 7. Which of the following is a biconditional statement? Letter A. If it rains, then the ground is wet. Letter B. The lamp is on or the switch is off. Letter C. The student passes if and only if the student studies. Letter D. The earth is not flat. Number 8. Which symbol represents the negation operation? Letter A. Or letter B and letter C. Ayan, letter D. Double arrow. Number 9. Which logical operation is true when both statements are false? Letter A, and, letter B, or, letter C, not, letter D, biconditional. Number 10. The truth table for P, arrow to the right, Q, shows the statement is false when A. P is true and Q is false. B. P is false and Q is true. C. Both are false. D. Both are true. Number 11. Which of the following is the correct negation of all birds can fly? Letter A. No birds can fly. Letter B. Some birds cannot fly. All birds cannot fly. Letter D. Some birds can fly. Number 12. Which logical operation corresponds to the phrase and ellipses or ellipses. Letter A, conjunction. Letter B, disjunction. Letter C, negation. Letter D, conditional. And then number 13. In logic, the operation that reverses the truth value of a proposition is A, and, B, or, C, not, D, if then. Number 14. Which statement is equivalent to it is not true that 2 plus 2 is equal to 5? 2 plus, letter A, 2 plus 2 is equal to 5. Letter B, 2 plus 2 is not equal to 5. Letter C, 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Letter D, if 2 plus 2 is equal to 5, then false. Number 15. The logical form of if a number is divisible by 4, then it is divisible by 2 is A, P and Q. Letter B, P or Q. C, P to the right Q. D, double arrow Q. Number 16. Which operation is true when both propositions have the same truth value? Letter A, or. Letter B, and. Letter C, if then. Letter D, by conditional. Number 17. Which of the following is an example of a conjunction? Letter A, if the car is fast, then it is expensive. Letter B, the sun is shining and the birds are singing. Letter C, the student will pass or fail. Letter D, it is not raining. Number 18. If P, the lamp is on, and Q, the fan is working, then P or Q means letter A, both lamp is on and the fan is working. Letter B, either the lamp is on or the fan is working, or both. Letter C, the lamp is not on and the fan is not working. Letter D, if the lamp is on, then the fan is working. Number 19. Which operation corresponds to the phrase not both? Sa letter A, and. B, nor. C, none. D, XOR. Number 20. Which of the following best illustrates the operation if and only if? The double arrow. If the letter A, if the switch is on, then the bulb lights up. Letter B, the train arrives late or the bus arrives early. Letter C, the device works if and only if it has power. Letter D, the clock is ticking and the alarm is ringing. The answer key for our quarter 4, numbers and algebra, lesson Roman numeral number 17, fundamentals of logical operations and their applications. Number 1, The correct answer is letter B, and. Number 2. The correct answer is letter B, disjunction or. Number 3. The correct answer is letter A, negation, not. Number 4. The correct answer is letter C, at least one false. Number 5. The correct answer is letter C, at least one true. Number 6. The correct answer is letter C, conditional if-then. Number 7. The correct answer is letter C, biconditional, if and only if. Number 8. The correct answer is letter C, the negation symbol. Number 9. The correct answer is letter D, biconditional. Number 10. The correct answer is letter A, P true and Q false. Number 11. The correct answer is letter B, some birds cannot fly. Number 12. The correct answer is letter B, disjunction or. Number 13. The correct answer is C, not. Number 14. The correct answer is B, 2 plus 2 is not equal to 5. Number 15. The correct answer is letter C, P to the right arrow Q. Number 16. The correct answer is letter D, biconditional, double arrow. Number 17. The correct answer is letter B, conjunction and. Number 18. The correct answer is letter B, disjunction or. Number 19. The correct answer is letter C, XOR, exclusive or. Number 20. The correct answer is letter C, biconditional, if and only if. And that's it for today's lesson here on Smile Road. If you learned something new today, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your classmates. And make sure to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when a new lesson drops. This is Sir M, reminding you that learning doesn't stop after the bell rings. Keep asking, keep exploring, and always walk the road of knowledge with a smile. Smile Road, where curiosity meets discovery. See you in our next lesson. Bye-bye.